decided in 2015 to supply the German market with regional tomatoes in winter as well, and then we started with the Santé lamps in 2 blocks of the whole 16 hectares. We decided to add LED lights to our traditional Santé lamps because of the rising prices of energy in Germany, which also makes the competition to the Benelux countries pretty hard, and the price-to-return ratio with LED lamps makes it much more sustainable. We have always someone to call. When there is any issue or problem, we can call someone and it's directly solved. We expect to decrease our energy costs and obviously also to increase our production while also maintaining our high quality and taste. In total, we have 15,000 LED top lamps.